complainant stated the defendant grabbed him around his shoulders and again struck the complainant with a closed fist on the right side of the head and neck, causing pain.
You are William Bradley Saray.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Mrs. Saray, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
The complainant stated he went back to work, was turning his back towards the defendant, and the defendant struck him on the right side of his head on the ear with a closed fist, causing pain. The complainant stated the defendant grabbed him around his shoulders and again struck the complainant with a closed fist on the right side of the head and neck, causing pain. Officer made contact with the defendant. The defendant stated he and the complainant got into an argument. The complainant stuck his finger in the defendant's face, contacting the defendant's nose, and the defendant struck the complainant with a closed fist. The officer observed red bruising on the complainant's neck and right ear. HFD observed raised contusion on the back of the complainant's head.
You said alcohol was a factor in this, right? He was drunk or the other?
The defendant appeared intoxicated.
Did they go, he went to an actual restaurant? Is that what he did?
They work at the same restaurant, Your Honor. Or worked at the same restaurant.
And what kind of work do you do at the restaurant?
Restaurant, sir. Director of Operations.
Okay, are you still employed there?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, because what I was going to do, one of the conditions that I was going to do was no contact and no going back, because I just don't want you guys to run into each other. I don't want more bad blood. You know, you got out of jail. We gave you a PR bond. You're not going to get another one. My only concern is public safety, and I'm going to do everything to protect every single person. You know, the conditions that I'm going to place on you now, I don't want you consuming alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds, no more contact with this person, and no more weapons. As long as you can abide by these conditions, you and I will be fine. Otherwise, there's only one place to put you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All we want you to do is a little self-control. Everyone you see back there now, it's because they have no self-control. Do you understand? All right. Now you've got a lawyer. I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with him and he'll tell you when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you, likewise, we'll issue a warrant for your arrest. Anything you guys like to add?
We spoke to the complaining witness yesterday, Judge. He was taken to the hospital. He stayed there he was at Memorial Hermann. He had very severe injuries. He sustained a concussion as far as I know. I've requested the medical records. He has sent photos and he sent me the surveillance footage already. So I witnessed it on video, the act happening. Just wanted you to be aware.
Just, you know, we want to make sure that nothing further happens. You know, we have a myriad of other things, ankle monitors that I don't want to do that at this point. I trust that there won't be any more issues. Just above all else, no alcohol, no dope. That's all we're asking. Okay. Okay. We'll have you meet with Victoria to sign a reset. After that, you'll meet with Fleischer to get your pretrial bond conditions. And after that, you guys will be free to go. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, please.